Welcome back, everyone. A rally in Philadelphia today to fight against proposed cuts to Medicaid. It's legislation that Republicans say will only go after wasteful spending and fraud, but patients and doctors are very worried about this.
Health reporter Stephanie Stahl was at that protest earlier today.
That's right, guys. You know, this legislation is now headed to the Senate, and the message today was focused on the Republican senator from Pennsylvania.
You're going to keep on fighting?
Yes!
Hands off our health care, no cuts to Medicaid.
A rally outside the Philadelphia office of Pennsylvania Senator Dave McCormick, urging him to vote against legislation passed by the House that would cut an estimated $800 billion from Medicaid that provides health care coverage for low-income Americans. The reductions would come from work requirements and other provisions.
Cutting hundreds of billions of dollars from Medicaid will rip health care away from those who can already least afford it.
Michael Anderson, who has cerebral palsy, depends on Medicaid for disability services and medical care. He's worried about losing what he calls his lifeline.
It would be a disaster for me. I don't know what I would do without those services.
President Trump insists Medicaid will largely stay intact.
The only thing we're cutting is waste, fraud, and abuse.
According to the nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office, under the proposed legislation, about 7 million people would lose Medicaid coverage.
The so-called savings will be paid for on the backs of the most vulnerable among us.
Alicia Gillespie is a breast cancer survivor who depends on Medicaid.
It's a major thing for me and my family.
Senator McCormick has said Medicaid spending is out of control, but that benefits should be preserved for the vulnerable. Dr. Walter Sue with the Philadelphia County Medical Society says Medicaid cuts would not only impact patients.
It is the largest payer of hospitals in Philadelphia, representing 39% of our hospitals' budgets.
Now, we reached out to Senator McCormick's office today for reaction to today's rally and have not heard back. A vote on the Medicaid legislation is expected sometime this summer. I'm Stephanie Stahl, CBS News, Philadelphia.